Okay, so we've got some fault codes we're gonna go over with you for some emission codes. And the moral of our story here is this is called a vent valve solenoid, and this is the vent itself, vent canister. This vent canister is, $250 to $350, right? They don't go very often. But this vent valve solenoid is like under $10 on RockAuto. And, it's got an electrical connector to it. And we're just gonna do a little inspection of the connector, make sure there's no moisture, the pins are clean and tight. So if you have a problem with the emission code on this thing, and you've got, over 100,000 miles on your car, if you go to the dealer, it's gonna charge you $175 an hour what they're charging you. This vent valve solenoid is very simple to change. It's got a slide bracket that comes up, unplug the electrical connector. You got a squeeze connection here to slide this line off. So you can buy this part for under $10 and change this yourself. And then on the engine, we're gonna show you there's a Purge valve solenoid that is like 35 to 40 bucks. And these are the two common things that go bad on most emission systems. There's really only 3 emission components on all of these cars as far as these vents go. And they're inexpensive. So if you replace a couple of these, this has a solenoid in it that's opening and closing all the time. Well, it's only gonna do that for so long. So before you go to the dealer, if you change these 2 components over, clear your code and you run it and your light doesn't come back on, you're all set. But if you go to the dealer and they charge you $175 and they tell you need a $9 part, you've kind of...
That's $130 at the dealer.
Yeah, so these are wearable items, you know what I mean? It's only gonna open and close that solenoid so many times. So we just want to show you this. We're going to show you the Purge valve solenoid on the front that we bought, and we'll give you the fault codes that we got on this car.